Are you looking at buying a house with foundation concerns? You're taking the plunge into housing market by buying a new home. Then you find out that there's something wrong with the home's foundation. I'm sure all you want to do is close on your new home. Stick around to hear the top 3 questions home buyers want to know when a home has foundation issues. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. In this video, I'll discuss 3 big questions that are asked when purchasing a home. Is the concern a deal breaker? Will it affect the appraisal? And do previous foundation repairs affect the sale? Let's get started. They certainly can be. It depends on the comfort level of the buyer on what they're willing to take on. At the end of the day, if a home has a foundation issue, it's not going to fix itself. An expert's going to have to come in and repair that. So can the buyer and the seller work out a deal and come to an agreement for somebody to get that repaired either after you take possession of the home or even before you take possession or close on the home? It depends on if the seller is willing to take on the cost for those repairs or even cut the sale price of the home so that that home can be addressed and those concerns can be fixed. They absolutely can. These are things that the appraiser comes in and looks at that's going to affect the value of the home. A home that has a failing foundation, collapsing basement walls, that definitely affects the value of the home and what that home is worth. So these things can definitely affect that. Now, for a lot of people looking and walking into a home and looking at buying it, and then they learn that the home has had foundation failures and that it's been repaired, can be a red flag. The thought of, well, if it's had this problem, what other problems can happen, always comes to the front of your mind. And I understand those things. Now, what you really want to look at is what were the repair methods, what caused the problem, and what is the warranties that's backed up by those repairs. Walking into a home that say has carbon fiber straps on a basement wall to hold that wall in from bowing any further, that carries a life of the structure warranty. And this can actually be a major benefit if you're looking to buy a home because you can't even build a home with that good of a warranty. That a company will say that they guarantee that this won't change as long as the house is standing. And so if the right solution has been applied to the problem, and they have great warranties behind those solutions, you can actually feel more confident knowing that there's a team, there's a company standing beside you in that home when you take that home on. Now, the last thing, part of that is make sure that that warranty is 100% transferable and there's no additional fees to get that transferred so that you don't lapse in any possible warranties. At AccuLevel, all of our warranties are 100% transferable, an unlimited amount of time for no additional fees. And so this is very important that you want to make sure that if there is a problem down the road, that the warranty is in effect and you can use it so that the company can come back in, take a look and repair those problems or those concerns without any additional cost to you. If foundation concerns showed up on your home inspection, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about the inspection process? If so, please leave them in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repairs. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second to like and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.